In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana step by step. Open your web browser and head to asana.com. On the homepage, click the button that says Get Started for Free. When prompted, enter your email address and click Continue. Then add your full name and continue again. These basics help Asana set up your account and workspace so everything is organized under the right profile. You'll see a screen that says, Tell us about your work. Here, choose your role from the drop-down, select the function that best describes your work, and pick what you want to use Asana for. This information helps Asana tailor recommendations and sample projects to match your needs. Click Next to move on. On the What tools do you use? Screen, select the tools your team already relies on by checking the boxes. Choosing them now makes it easier to connect integrations later. Click Next. Next, you'll see, describe the work you want to get done. Type a brief description of the work you plan to track or manage in Asana. Keep it concise but specific, so your workspace suggestions feel relevant. Click Next. You'll be asked to invite a teammate to try Asana together. If you're ready to collaborate, enter a teammate's email and click Invite. If not, you can skip this step and invite people later from within your project. You're now inside your Asana workspace, and you'll see a starter project created for you. To personalize it, open the project settings and change the color and icon. This small tweak helps you visually distinguish projects at a glance, especially as your list grows. The project includes a few pre-filled tasks, Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3, showing typical fields like assignees, due dates, priority, and status. Click into any task to view details and get familiar with how these fields work together to keep things clear and actionable. To add your own work, click Add Task. Type the task name, assign it to a team member, set a due date, choose a priority, and update the status. Press Enter to save. Short, action-oriented names and realistic deadlines go a long way. Repeat this process to add more tasks and start organizing your project. If a task is complex, click Add subtask inside it to break the work into smaller steps. Subtasks are perfect for checklists, handoffs, or multi-stage work. Finally, customize your project using the dashboard options. Sort tasks by due date or priority and switch between views to match how you like to work. Exploring these options helps you see timelines, workloads, and progress more clearly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.